trouble watching Instagram stories on your iPhone because they keep loading forever? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that problem. So, without further ado, let's dive in and get it sorted. Solution 1. Check if your internet is working fine. To do this, first open up a browser of your choice. Then, go to any link you want and see if the page loads up properly. If not, then turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, check if the error is gone. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Using a VPN can do the trick as well, so try that out too. Try using 1.1.1 VPN. Solution 2. Offload Instagram. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down until you see Instagram, then tap on it. Next, tap on the Offload app button. Then, tap on Offload app, and it will be offloaded. Now, just tap on Reinstall app, and install will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Turn on background app refresh for Instagram. For this one, open up Settings. Then scroll down a bit and find General, then tap on it. Now, tap on background app refresh and then select Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then, go back to the previous settings page. Now, just scroll down and make sure that Instagram is switched on in this list. After that, check if the issue is solved. Solution 4. Reset network settings. To do this, open the Settings app again. Next, just scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Lastly, tap on Reset Network Settings. And your network settings will be reset. Now the issue should be fixed. So that's how you deal with the issue of Instagram stories that keep loading on your iPhone. If the video helped you sort out this issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.